Hi friends, hope you are doing well and your preparation for AFM is going on really well as the other subject. In this video, I will give you a quick update on the revision classes which we are going to take for AFM. The revision classes is a usual feature of ours before the exams. I normally take in the month of March. Last time we took in March 24. Now we are taking it in March 2025. The classes will be conducted in three modes. There will be a face-to-face classes, a live online, as well as the recorded mode. All the three modes would be available to the students. More useful for May 25 exams and November 25 exams. Later exam guys can also take these classes, but for them, anyway, I may have another revision in March 2026. So these classes are applicable for attempts after May 25, but ideal for May 25 and November 25 guys. Where is the physical class going to be conducted? We'll conduct in our Nungambakam premises. Live online classes, you can access it in mobile as well as laptop. Obviously, Apple devices, it does not work. Uh, the timing is a little flexible. I want to keep it is 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. But effective classes will be only 6 hours a day. There will be good amount of breaks in between because when I take for a longer period of time, you may get little tired, and I also get tired. So the classes will be for 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. I'm going to start my batch on March 8th, end it by March 24 is the time I have given, but high probability it may even get over by March 21. I need basically 12 to 14 days of classes, and there'll be a break after every 4 days of classes. So I start on 8th, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th will be a break, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th will be a break, 18, 19, 20, 21. High probability 21 it can get over also. That I'll be able to provide update when the batch is started and we are done with few days of classes, because depending on how you are cooperating and how we are able to cover concepts, we will take a call by when we will complete. Last batch I took for 12 days. This batch I've given 12 to 14 days is the time, because last batch the number of hours were a little bit on the higher side. So 12 to 14 days of classes. It can get over on March 21. It can even go on till March 24. 24 is 14 days of classes and 21st is 12 days of classes. Now, you should ideally plan for 15 days of AFM preparation. If that is available, the subject is taken care, because 6 hours, that is 8 hours you are in the academy with me in the face-to-face mode or in the live online mode, or you could be watching in the recorded mode. After that, every day if you spend 3-4 hours either before the class or after the class, the subject will get over. The subject gets over moment you spend that extra 3 to 4 hours after or before the class. So that is the purpose. 15 days you give for my subject, I'll ensure that you complete everything. What are we going to cover in the classes? We are going to cover at least 300 plus questions and every concept. I think all the concept of AFM with my concept book, I'm going to cover it. I'll use concept book, cover everything, and at least 300 plus questions. 300 plus question. All questions of your ICI study mat will get covered. 100% they'll get covered. MTPs, RTPs, suggested answers questions, and some practice questions of mine. I will pick and choose questions from my material. We are going to use the third edition material, third edition book. I'm going to use third edition book. Just give me a minute. The third edition book is what we are going to use. If you have my first edition, you may want to migrate to second or the third edition. You may want to migrate to the third edition. But if you have second edition, you can still manage it. Second edition book or the third edition book. Student need not buy the third edition book. In case you have my second edition book, you can kind of manage it. But in case you do not have the second edition book, then you have the first edition or something. Preferable you shift to the third edition book, or anyway the soft copy is given. I'll be giving you the soft copy book, so you can manage with the soft copy book, or you can get the hard copy book. I'll come to the fees and other details, but you will be needing the third edition book for this revision. In case you have the second edition, still manageable. First edition could be slightly challenging for you to manage, depends on your comfort level. Or you want to just see the soft copy, that is also possible. Whatever is convenient for you. You want to do with soft copy, you can do with soft copy. You want to do with hard copy, you can do with hard copy. But you will need third edition book. When you are watching my classes in the academy or at home, you can use one device for watching the classes. The other device is where you will be able to open my book in case you are using the soft copy, because the soft copy is freely available. It can be opened in any device. So you can use a mobile phone to open the book and the classes can play on the other device. Face to face, guys, student, if you have the book, great, because you can note down things. I will suggest you to invest that in the third edition. If you can invest it, please invest in the third edition book. The books can be collected from our academy, or you can buy it and get it couriered to your home. Second edition you have comfortable, third edition best, first edition advisable to change. Now, if you are attending my live online or face to face classes, we will give you a 50% backup would be given for recorded videos. This backup is for in case you miss out on some sessions of the face to face or live online because of certain requirements. Ideally, in the last few months, I don't see you missing out on any session. But in case still you end up missing out on few sessions, then you can take up the help of the recorded videos. Backup is given only for 50% video. I used to give 100% backup, but then students, because of their lethargy, were not paying attention in the face-to-face mode or in the live online mode, and were taking help of only the recorded video. So I want to curtail that practice now. I want you to focus. I am there along with you in the face-to-face class or in the live online class. That time you spend time and complete your preparation. In case you miss out few session, 50% backup would be given. Now, this is the first time I'm going to charge a fee for even my past regular batch student, but it's just a token fee. We have never in the past charged fees for the regular batch student. Regular means who have taken regular AFM or SFM from me in the face-to-face mode or the recorded mode. Any mode is fine. The fees would be, if you are planning to attend just live online, 500 plus GST. Live online earlier used to be free of cost, but again, people were not at all paying attention, because when anything is given free of cost, I don't know, unfortunately the worth of that is not felt by the students. Small token fee. In the past we were anyway charging for face to face mode and recorded mode, so that will continue to be charged. This is for my past regular batch student. If you are a new student, there's an early bird offer. Again, the fees remains normal what I have charged in the past. And if you are registering after March 3, then the fees will get revised to the normal fees which we are charging today. Today, our recorded classes are available for 4,000 plus GST. The fees will shift to 4,000 plus GST in case you register after March 3. But before that, if you register, you are a past regular batch student or a new student. So I'll share the link of registration. In that, it will give you an option. If you're a past regular batch student, then only please pay the fees of 590, 1180 or 1770. If you're a new student, pay 2360, 2950, 3540. And if you're registering after March 3, then the fees gets revised to 4,000 plus GST. We have given an early bird offer because we want maximum students to get advantage of this. So that is why an early bird offer has been given. These are brief details of our classes. Classes will be very comprehensive. Entire AFM will get covered. All the chapters will get covered in this. One or two chapters, very small chapters, I'll tell what needs to be done, but almost everything will get covered. Forex fully covered, derivatives fully covered, capital budgeting fully covered, mergers fully covered, portfolio fully covered, your valuation fully covered, security valuation fully covered, mutual funds fully covered. So all the big chapters, interest rate risk management, international capital budgeting, international financial management, everything will get fully covered in the classes. If people have been taking my recorded batch videos, in case you cannot wait till March end for the classes, because some students may have planned their schedule in such a manner that in the month of March they have planned for some other subject, or they don't want to attend classes at that time and do self preparation. If you want, then you please take the recorded videos of March 2024. March 2024 recorded videos are available. No major changes. AFM subject does not have any major changes. So in case you do not want to wait for the March 2025 classes, you can take March 2024 classes. They are perfectly fine. They are perfectly fine. No worries at all as far as those classes are concerned. Take March 2024 in case you cannot wait for this to be completed, because in your preparation plan you may not have timeline till March 22. You want to complete AFM in the month of Feb itself, because I ran a poll. Some said March 1 to March 15, some said March 15 to 30, primarily here. So somewhere around that I have selected the dates and kept the batch. Second thing is, if you are opting for recorded video of March 2025, I'll be giving recorded videos as and when class get over. So first day video could be given the next day, second day video the next to next day. With a 1 day lag, you will keep getting the videos. This is in case you're opting for regular videos. Regular videos, I'll give around 3 views, 2 to 3 views, so that you get comfortable. Sorry, the recorded videos 2 to 3 views, so that you are able to see it multiple times and become comfortable with the subject. Now, if any other doubts are there, you can type it in the comment section. I'll be ready to take it up. I want you to register as soon as possible if you are planning to revise your AFM with me. It does not really matter whether you have done the subject earlier, not done the subject. If you have done the subject, it is easy. If you have not done the subject, you may find it little challenging, but still manageable. Still manageable. I'll try to cover it in such a manner that everything is covered in an exhaustive manner in 70 to 80 hours is the timeline we are looking at. Exhaustive classes. You are going to get exhaustive classes. Everything will get covered. And with this itself, you will score easily an exemption in my paper. Thank you, friends.